Let's start with the first part of the program, which specifies the reference SolidWorks files. Reference files are the ground truth files typically created by the instructor. The program compares students' files against these reference files. Using reference files is optional. The program will still run without them, but no comparisons will be performed. For example, the program will not report how much the body volume of a student's model deviates from the correct volume. Here, you can enter the path to the folder manually, or click the Browse button to select a folder. You can add multiple folders or multiple files by selecting the Browse button again after adding one. In this example, the reference files are stored in a folder named AAA, but the folder name can be anything. It is often convenient to store them in a single folder, although you may also select files individually. When you select a folder, all SolidWorks files are automatically included. You can use one or more reference files, and they may be a combination of part drawing or assembly files, as you can see here. You can further filter the file types using the checkboxes. In this example, all the files in the Components folder are provided to students for use when building an assembly. These files are not intended to be graded. There is also a part file named My Model that is not part of this assignment and is not provided to the students either. At this stage, you can exclude those files by unchecking them here. For now, however, I will leave them selected and address them in the next step. After clicking OK, the selected files are listed in here.